Esithangamini abenaso umfundisi uThulasizwe Buthelezi utshele abezindaba ukuthi iNgonyama ibingaphansi kwengcindezi ngesikhathi ithatha lesi sinqumo. Kanti uphinde wathi imbube ibingakamazisi ngokumiswa kwakhe esikhundleni sobundunankulu kaZulu.
I only learned about this decision through the social media and thereafter through a WhatsApp message from Prince Simphiwe of Guamenya yesterday. One of the documents which is circulating in the social media is a notice addressed to Amakhosi of the kingdom, signed by Prince Simphiwe himself, which is astonishing that an announcement of such magnitude should be conveyed to Amakhosi in such an informal manner.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal uThamsanqa Ntuli uphawulile ngesinqumo seNgonyama.
When His Majesty appointed the traditional Prime Minister will not consult anyone. Even when he decides to release, there is no thing which compels His Majesty to do so.
Ukuxoshwa kukandunankulu kaZulu kuza nje kusele amasonto ngaphambi komkhosi omkhulu esizweni samaZulu okuyisikhumbuzo sempi eyabe iphakathi kwamaZulu namangisi eSandlwana mhla zingama-22 kuMasingana ka-1879. Isizwe siyawudinga umkhombandlela ukuya phambili emva kwalokhu.
Mhlambe isilo sizocabanga lokho ukuthi sibe ne-Royal Council ngokwemthetho ka-2019 we-Traditional Leadership and Cohesion Act. Bese kusetshenzwa ngawo kube ne-Royal Council umkhandlu wasendunkulu onosihlalo wawo and so on. Ebese-ke kube wona umkhandlu o-advisayo. Ngokuthanda kwaso isilo sibe naye undunankulu ngokwe-tradition ngokwamasiko ngoba awukho umthetho i-legislation ya South Africa othi undunankulu ukhona akabhalwe ndawo undunankulu.
Umfundisi uButhelezi wangena esikhundleni esabe siphethwe umntwana wakaphinda ngene ngaphansi kwamakhosi amathathu. iNgonyama uBhekuzulu Nyanga Yezizwe kaSolomon, iNgonyama uGoodwill Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu kanye neNgonyama uMisuzulu Shinqobile kaZwelithini obusa njengamanje. Umbuzo uthi ubani osazoqokelwa kulesi sikhundla?
Abaye bathi yini ngavese kube inkosi uChileza engena ngoba iyisekela. Well, umqondo ucabanga ngokwepolitiki lokho. I-issue ekhona ukuthi ngaba west lapho ngoba sazoke inkosi uChileza naye uthe shi eqenjini lomkhonto wesizwe. Kusho ukuthi le nkinga ebikhona ke waphela ukuthi kusho ukuthi bekufike kube inkatha phezulu kube umkhonto wesizwe kwehle njalo. Sengabuye futhi iqhubeke le nkinga abantu bebekhala ngayo.
Akukacaci-ke ukuthi ubani ozongena kulesi sikhundla esithathwa njengesihlangu seNgonyama esizweni samaZulu.